What's going on, my peoples? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Got a lot of action happening today at the junkyard. Yeah, I am definitely at the junkyard. I'm finna put in that work. Gotta get a whole lot of everything, to be honest with you, man. We finna try to get this Malibu stuff wrapped up. I made a couple big purchases yesterday that I need to go pick up from Summit Racing. That's gonna be like that surprise type situation. We finna get this thing going, man. I was gonna kind of like hold off on the Malibu for a little bit, man, and you know, get some other stuff in order, but I can't do it. I can't do it, so I'm gonna have to go on there and do this, you know what I mean? So we're finna get off in the junkyard. One of the things I want to get from the junkyard is I want to see if I can find a console for the Malibu. Y'all know them Gbodies, man. Them Gbodies, they don't come with them cup holders. So I want to try to get something that's gonna fit in there with a cup holder, and I'm leaning towards the 2006, I want to say all the way up to like 2012 Impala. Another thing I want to try to get out here, man, is we're finna tackle, see if we can find us a Blazer. Lot of people, you know, got the idea of using the spindle so you can kind of upgrade the braking system on that thing and on them Gbodies. And I'm gonna do the same thing, man. It's a good way to get, you know, bigger brakes and a little more stopping power, you know what I mean, for what we got going on, you did. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna jump off in this thing, but before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell, man. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops, you did. Let's get at it. Yeah, when I say I came prepared, man, went out today, man, got me a new tool bag, man. I'm so excited about this bag. I ain't never had me a travel tool bag, you know what I mean? I'm always kind of like lugging my tools around, man, by hand, throwing them off in a little bag that come with the drills and all this good stuff, man, and none of that stuff really never fit. Then on top of that, got me a new little dicky suit, new little track suit. Ooh, we're finna get off in this thing, man. We're finna work. All right, people, so out here, man, and guess what? I can't even make this up. I'm talking about every Blazer that I need. It's already been raped. Got it. Go on. Gone. There's about a good 6 or 7 of them out here that fit that criteria. And yeah, it ain't gonna work out at this one, so I'm gonna have to go to a whole nother one. All right, y'all, I ain't going front. Your butt is super upset. I took this dummy mission out here to try to find those spindles, and yeah, I ain't find nothing. So I'm finna see if they got some in a whole nother location. Let's see, Atlanta. I think this is Atlanta South. So I'm gonna try Atlanta East. I think that's gonna be closer to me. They got 198 out there. They got on their yard. And it's been out there since the 7th of December. Let me see, Atlanta North. Got about 1, 2, 3, got 4. And actually they got one that got there a few days ago. Oh, they got 2. Yeah, so we're finna go to this one. This gonna be a ride though. All right, so we're gonna go and tackle. Oh, actually. So it's gonna be like hit or miss, because I could take this L, take this ride out here, but if it's not the one that I need, then guess what? It's gonna be a dummy trip. But it's the gamble we take, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go and do this, man. I'm gonna go and make this ride out here real quick. If they ain't got what we need, man, we're gonna have to try something else. Probably hold on to our Gbody brakes, braking system for the time being. All right, so we're back at this second one. This one looks like it's real organized in a way, so I'm hoping, praying, I ain't gonna hold you. I came in this one, man. I don't see a lot of us out here, so I hate to say it like that, y'all, but you know what I mean? Let's just be real. God, this sucker huge. This thing go way back there. So we're gonna see, man. Alright, so 103 got a 95. Let's see. Oh, that's it right there. Yep. Nope. 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 That's not what we need. It's an old phone. It's us. This is us. Boy, boy, boy. That's us. Alright, so we got this one. We gotta get these lugs off though. So yeah, we got us one. We got us one, y'all. And we got this one. Let's see what this one is. Let's see. Oh no, this ain't us. We got us one out here, y'all. We got one. Alright, so this is definitely us. So this is the only one we got to work on. And it actually looked like it's in pretty good shape too. So we're gonna get back. We're gonna get back to the top, get my bag, and we're ready. We're good. Alright y'all, so while I'm waiting on my homeboy to come up. He said he's gonna meet me out here. So while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and hunt down this Impala dash, or not dash, console real quick. Oh yeah, that's it. That's what we're going for. Yeah, so that's it. So we found one. It's number 7. We catch this one and get back here. Not that one. Oh yeah, nah, that's how Donald went down there, y'all. With that being said, man, I'm gonna be able to get everything I need out here for the Malibu today. You did. So I'm gonna go ahead back up top, get my bag. My homeboy should be pulling up soon. And I'm finna get the wrenching, man. You did. It looks really, really good. Yeah, the spindle looks real good. And I don't like it's gonna be too hard either. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off these council bolts, these council nuts, and the brakes on this side, brake lines, all that good stuff. And we should be good. So let's see what's to it. This is literally like the pain in the ass part. I'll go ahead and start working off these lock pins. That's one. You want
D.
Shit too.
You need these too, right?
Yeah, I'm keeping them.
Okay, all right.
That's it.
Damn, D, look at that.
And I like a brand new hub.
That shit look brand new.
It's just
Oh, you
rusted on
gonna
the
need
other
this too?
side.
You want this, no?
Nah, I ain't gonna play shit. That's it.
Good luck. You gonna slide out, baby?
Clean key. I'll take that from you.
You got the other call? Right here. I got it right here.
Alright.
Oh, you want to take the damn
Yeah, I'm gonna take the whole thing and I'm gonna hammer it all out.
Okay,
Okay,
right.
we gotta take this.
Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you good. Do your thing. Shit, you about almost done. The hardest part of the cotter pins. So I just went ahead and took all the cotter pins out first before I started unscrewing.
Yeah.
So here you go. I'm gonna take this off real quick. Man, finishing up that one. Shit, we good on this brake shit. You did. Alright, console came out. My bunny came in. Help me with that. You good, King? You ain't got nothing you wanna get? Alright, peoples, and we back at the crib. So got the braking stuff here. So you can tell they gonna need to be cleaned up pretty good. Console. I actually want to see what that console gonna look like in that center real quick. So I'm gonna do a test fit real quick, slide it in place, see what that look like. But yeah, man, we ready, man. Like I said, I ordered a whole bunch of other stuff. I'm gonna go pick it up tomorrow. I'm tired. I've been up moving. 2 junkyards today, man. 2 junkyards today. So I can't drive out to no summer racing right now. So I'm gonna do that first thing in the morning. And then we're gonna bring that in a whole nother video you did. So let's see what this thing gonna look like real quick. So yeah, this is how this is gonna look, man, for the most part, as we get it cleaned up. So I already know I'm gonna have to raise my shifter up. So there's a bracket, a sitting bracket that comes with this thing. So we're gonna have to try to finagle that thing. And but it lines up pretty good in there. Lines up pretty good and it looks pretty good. We're gonna get a new lid for it. I already priced that out about $19. And we're gonna get it done. You did, so that's gonna turn out. Of course, we're gonna have the digital dash in there. We're gonna figure out this radio thing. This whole dash coming out. It's coming back out. You know, we gotta go back and do the things that we did before. You know what I'm saying? So get it cleaned up, sprayed up, all that good stuff. Same thing with this, everything gotta be matching, you dig? And of course we're gonna get the carpet and stuff in, which I got that carpet and stuff too. So, but that's gonna be about it, y'all. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned to the next vid. I appreciate y'all and we out.